Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Rajvati, and this is my another video because I am not making video for a long time, due to reasons some because my daughter is a very little, so I am not making video for a long time. So I today I decided, I make video daily routine because you can practice every day. There are many types, there are many ways, when go to outside, so describing there are more things, and when we do practice, when you can practice daily routine. So this video is total based on daily routine. So I am talking about my daily routine. I am share some points my daily routine. So let's start today's video. I usually wake up early in the morning, but sometimes I wake up late in the morning because due to reason my daughter, because my daughter she is sleep very late night. So sometimes I couldn't sleep properly, so I usually wake up late. So that time I wake up late, in the morning. So I am not feel better, and I have more stressed because when we do work easily and quickly, because when we late, so there are many problems. So I suggest everyone, you wake up early in the morning, so you feel very fresh, you feel calm, and you make a plan for the whole day. So first I wake up in the early in the morning, and sometimes I stay in the bed, and after that I sometimes I meditate, and you can say pray of the god, and after that I get out of the bed and make the bed sheet, and go to the straight in the washroom, so then I came out in the washroom, and I wash my face and hands with clean water, and I brush my teeth, and I take wash. After that I go to the kitchen, and first of all I prepare the breakfast for my children and husband, because my children every day my children go to school. So, I prepared breakfast in the morning quickly, because after that I packed the lunch box, and my daughters, uh, I get ready my daughters for school. After that my husband drops my children, and came back at the home. So when uh, both you are breakfast together, and after that I have completed all household chores, and after that I sometimes I study for myself, and because and then my husband dropped my children, and I have completed my household chores. So after that, I prepared for lunch, and for my family, and sometimes I take rest, and after that my husbands go to the school, and come back with my children, and when we when we have to lunch together, and then I go to in the kitchen, and first of all I clean my kitchen, and I clean all dishes, and I set up so all things in the kitchen, and after that came back in the room, and sometimes I study for myself. In these days I am working my English language. So after that 4 o'clock in the evening I take tea, we all together. So after, and then I prepared dinner 9 o'clock, because sometimes ago I take class, and after that, for after eating, before eating, I take some time my children, because I study, my children study, and I help my children's to study, so after that, I finally completed in the evening time, 10 o'clock, and then I go to the bed 10:30, so I have completed my daily routine. So you I am not perfect in English language, because I made many mistake in this video. So you write a comment below, and meet again next video, and bye bye, take care.